Okay, so new content today, people. I broke my toe. Okay, I am going to make a vanity. It is actually a vanity I found from a trash can pile by Chelsey's house, and it was actually in good shape. So I took it, wiped it down, and now I'm going to turn it into something of my own. I also found a picture of Marilyn Monroe, but I'm going to paint that because I don't want it black. And then here's the legs. I took it apart. I will insert a photo now of what the desk slash vanity will look like. Okay, here we go.
Alright, let's start spray painting, shall we?
This part first, for sure. Okay, I hope this is a good gray. Oh my god, good enough. Well, that's strong. We're gonna get high today, people. Poke me. Alright, I am not a professional, so don't come for me. I taped off the edges because I'm going to do something different with the actual table part, if that makes sense. So hopefully it all looks good. Who knows? Okay, time for the legs. I should have wiped it off, but oh well. I know you want the angles, girl.
That'd be funny.
hours.
How does the tape parts look?
Not too bad. I don't think people would really tell unless they actually stared at it.
Just like the countertop.
Okay, I want to take it inside. I want to put it all back together and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna put on the handle, and then I'm gonna screw the drawer back into the desk.
What? Is that what your face is at?
Screw in the legs, and then we move on to the next thing.
So off.
Oh! Excuse me, I need that. Oh, I can't let it go. Oh, it's stuck. Jeez. Oh. Isn't it fitting?
That's what she said.
Shut up, you're such a nerd. Okay. Pretty good. Upside down. Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Nope, stay in there. This is so embarrassing. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. That one's. Okay, I bought these LED lights off of Amazon, and then I got this mirror at a garage sale. I'm going to install the lights onto the mirror so I'll have a vanity mirror. And this is the final look. Oh, hi. Okay, so I put all my makeup, well not all my makeup, but some of my makeup. My light. Here is the drawer. Empty, of course. Some spray paint marks, but that's fine. And then the stool. Yes, I found it in the trash, but it's way too high for this, so I'm actually going to go check out Goodwill tomorrow and see if I can find something that will be more exactly my DIY moment. A little sneak peek for our next video. If you're interested, stay tuned. That is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a good one. Bye.